Hi everybody. In this presentation I'm going to be showing you how to set up your ECI 519 journal in Google Docs and then how to publish that to the web and then grab that embed code so that you can place that on your Weebly portfolio, and that's where your instructors will be reading that from your Weebly portfolio. This will allow us to see it. Also, your peers can see it there on your Weebly portfolio. So basically, to get started, you'll click Create here in Google Docs, and well, first of all, you'll go to drive.google.com or docs.google.com, and then down here you'll click Create and Document. And incidentally, you do have to be logged into a Gmail or Google account before you can set up documents in drive.google.com. So the first thing you'll want to do is give your document a title. I suggest ECI 519 Journal. And again, we've got maybe here at the top, go ahead and give it a title, Kevin's ECI 519 Journal. And as we've noted in the syllabus, there's several assignments and several reading assignments where you'll be asked to write some reflections about the articles that have been assigned. So you'll just, I know the first one was reflections on the Oliver Pritchard book chapter. So that would be the first entry that you would make in your journal. And you can kind of separate these out however you wish. And this is where you would, begin to type in your content. And then again, after you've done the first one, you would come back and do reflections on the next article, whatever that one happens to be. And so that's kind of how you would set that up. And basically all you do to publish this to the web, and you'll notice up here all changes are saved in Drive, so you don't actually have to save Google Docs. It saves them automatically for you. You might want to just make sure it says all changes have been saved before you close something out, in case your internet connection is slow or happens to drop. But basically, if you click File and then Publish to the Web, this will give you some options here. If you happen to have an NC State account, it's going to ask you if you want people to sign in before you show them this document. Most of you, I don't think, will see that, and you would want to leave it unchecked anyway. You do want to leave checked automatically republish when changes are made. So even though we're embedding this on Weebly, every time you come into Google Docs and make a change, it's going to automatically be reflected in Weebly. So go ahead and leave this one checked. You definitely want it to republish automatically when you make changes. And then just click Start Publishing. It will ask if you're sure, say yes. And it gives you a couple things here. Basically, it gives you the embed code down here. We've been talking about embed code. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And then I'm going to come over to Weebly. And when you log into Weebly.com, again, Megan has set up your portfolio page in Weebly.com. And you go to edit that page. And I'm going to see I actually have access to the whole site. What you'll see here will be just your page. I'm going to go ahead and click into my page to make some edits. And so basically, and I think we've begun to set this up already, your Weebly page, but I would suggest giving each of your assignments a title. Assignment 1 is the journaling assignment. And then if you come down, I think it's a little bit further down here, and look for this embed code block. I'm going to pick that and drag that over. And then I'm going to click here where it says click to set custom HTML. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to paste in that embed code that I just copied from Google Docs. And when I do that, it should pop in my journal right there. So now that's embedded on my site. And again, all the changes that I make back in Google Docs should automatically be reflected here on Weebly. One thing you'll notice, unfortunately, I don't think there's a way to make this any larger. Google Docs embed code does not have any dimensions that you could change to make this image a little bit larger. so it's a little bit hard to read. So for that reason, I'm going to suggest you not only add the embed code here, but come back over to Google Docs and grab the link to your document. And when we grab that link to our document, bring that back over here, and you can just grab a simple text block, drag that down, and click here in the text block, paste in your link. And to make a link active, you actually have to highlight it, and then pick this create link from this toolbar, paste the link in again. I would suggest opening it in a new window, and when you click save, that inserts the link here so that when people come to your website, they'll be able to click on that. And again, before you finish or after you finish adding these things to your portfolio page, you'll click publish up here in the upper right hand corner, and that should place it on the actual website, surreyteachers2014.weebly.com. So I'm going to go ahead and click that to check my work, make sure it's actually on here, click instructor pages, click my page, and sure enough, on the live version, Surrey Teachers 2014, here's the assignment title, the embedded Google Docs page, and also a link that people can click to go out and look at the journal. And you can see here it's much easier to read the journal from that link, which is why I'm going to have you add that in addition to this embedded copy. And that's basically all there is to it. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.